Amina loved her Grandma Funmi's house, but today it was a bit messy. Dust bunnies danced. Grandma Funmi smiled. "Let's make cleaning fun, my dear," she said, handing Amina a tiny broom. Amina giggled, holding the broom. Swish, swish, went the broom, but the dust just bounced around. Grandma whispered a little rhyme. "Sweep and shine, make it glow. Watch the magic softly grow." Suddenly, Amina's broom sparkled. Whoosh, whoosh, the dust danced right into the dustpan. Amina twirled, sweeping faster. The floor shone like a mirror. Whoosh, whoosh, Grandma clapped. "You've got the magic touch, Amina," she praised. Amina felt so proud. Taking responsibility was like having a secret superpower. Now, Amina loved to sweep. Every swish swish made her house shine with her own special magic. And every clean corner whispered, "Thank you, Amina, for your kindness and your magic."